Crashing through the credit hall, talking to nothing but balls, just to reach it at the run time. Leaping over seas, chase fucking raw, trains on the door, they can survive. In the MMC, drop stop, pressing stop, this is how we show our playbook. In the MMC, one pound train, and second and only train, and single noise. MMC.
Yo guys, it's your boy Mikey here. I need to tell you something. Look, I'm with Elevators John, the creator of Doors But Short. He's my friend. Dude, mean. Yeah, you are my brother in real life, but you're my friend in Roblox, bro. We literally have the Elevators John dance. Look what he's doing. Elevators John dance, that's Elevators John that's doing. And I'm doing the same thing. Look, I'm on the other way. No. Forwards. That's it. And guess what? I changed my name to Mikey1925.
Like and subscribe right now.
You can subscribe to Elevator John. I know you have more subscribers than me. I have less. Should I check my YouTube channel?
No.
I'll check it. I'll stay on Roblox. So guys, let me show you the YouTube channel I have.
I said no star red.
Me. That's me. Right there. Let me go into my account. Then watch. See? A new one. This is definitely so new. I need to check how much subscribers. 47 instead of 37. Okay, I got 10 more subscribers. I have 17 videos. Look. Oh guys, should I go on camera? But I literally play Northeast Coirrder. Let me show you. Let me go back on Roblox. And the game that we always play to make some videos on Roblox. I'll show you. The actual game is Northeast Coirrder. But I really love trains a lot. Do not tell Elevators going in. That's real name. I'm not gonna tell you it. It is a secret because my mom and dad don't want to hear the real name. Yo, shut up. Bro, this is my 18th video. Well, I really do not know how to actually edit the video. Not your job. Shut up, bro. Yes, you are. You always know how to edit it. This is how we do it. If you go to Curse Train, you'll get the Curse Transit. That would just sound like an Amtrak. 46. And look at this. You actually will know. You will actually know what this is when all this goes away. What's wrong with the other side? I think somebody else is in here now. See? That's the train. These are trains that we always do. And also, they have new controls. That's a new control. That's the old control. Everybody's gonna use the L one, but the levers, yes, they're the best. Look. This is not actually 15 miles per hour, but this is the best. Only works on the cabs. On the common 5. If you watch videos, if you go on trains, then you can only watch these videos. Because if you don't, then and you don't know about trains. Oh, what's wrong about me? Multi-level cab. Multi-level cab sounds different. Bro, what did I... Uh-oh. Nope, I broke the game. I broke it. Go backwards. Let me go backwards. I'm going backwards. Damn. Okay, let me switch cameras. Train cameras. Press your own train. Press back. Press third person. Then you see your cab working. You can pull it apart. I'm just doing the lever again. And then there you go. Your own train. I don't know what's wrong with that 46. What is the 46 doing over there? You don't want to see that. You don't want to see this. Look, when you keep going back. Oh, I can't, Amelia. Damn. Bro, now it's happening to the multi-level cab. This is literally super multi-level. The other one trying to save. Yes, that's a good one. That's it. Look. Multi-level cab's pulling now. No. No. Don't. No. 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 This video. I found a weird train. Well, there's somebody using a 45 and I'm literally using a weird Amtrak one.